Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hacker Fox. This is my first video on my YouTube channel, and this channel is all about penetration testing, ethical hacking, and much more topics regarding cybersecurity, and everything is hands-on. And today we are going to set up the penetration testing lab on our PC using VMware Pro. For that, first we need to click on our browser and go to google.com. On google.com, here we need to type VMware Pro download. Once we click enter, here we can see on the first link it opens to the VMware official website. And if we scroll down a bit, you can see here there are two options, VMware Fusion Pro Download and VMware Workstation Pro Download. VMware Fusion Pro Download is for Mac users and VMware Workstation Pro Download is for Windows users. Since we are a Windows user, let's click on VMware Workstation Pro Download. Once you click on that, you can see here the Broadcom website, and here you can see different versions of VMware Workstation Pro. Let's click on the first link and click on 17.6 version. Once you click on that, you can see the downloads here, and you click on this. You can see here your VMware Workstation Pro exe file is downloading, and once your download completes, you can see here on your downloads you have already got the VMware Workstation Pro, and this exe file I have already downloaded earlier. You double click on it. Yes. It takes a bit time to get into the setup protocols. Click on next and accept the license agreement, and then click on next. Keep everything as default and click on next, next, and next. So it takes a bit time for VMware Workstation Pro download. So before this thing gets downloaded, I would like to tell you what is a VMware Workstation Pro. It is an hypervisor where you can host different operating systems and work on them individually and power them on your main operating system. So it's getting downloaded. You can see now that we have completed installing our VMware Workstation Pro. Click on Finish button. On here on website, you can see the VMware Workstation Pro icon. To open VMware Workstation Pro, double click on it. So once we have downloaded and installed our VMware Workstation Pro, we need Kali Linux, which is an hacking operating system, and also Metasploitable, which is an intentionally made vulnerable operating system for penetration testing purposes. So let's go to our browser, go to Google and type Kali Linux. Click on Downloads. Now click on Virtual Machine Options. Here you can either choose 64-bit or 32-bit. Here I am going to choose 64-bit and click on the first option. This option supports VMware, so this would be a better choice for us. Once your file is downloaded, you can see it on your downloads in File Explorer here. And since this is in a zip file, we need to extract it. So to extract it, right click on it and click on extract here. Till this thing gets extracted and we get our folder, let's download Metasploitable from Google. So go to your Google and type Metasploitable. Here click on the second option, which is SourceForge. Once you click on this link, it takes you to the website from where you can download Metasploitable latest version, that is Metasploitable Linux 2. Click on this option. So our download will start shortly, and here we can see our Metasploitable Linux 2.0 has started. And I guess in the background we have almost completed extracting our Kali Linux virtual machine file. Let's see on it. So we still have 73% pending. Let's give it a bit of time. I'll cancel this download option since I have already downloaded this Linux. Here we can see we have got our Metasploitable Linux. Right click on it and click on extract here. As you can see, once you click on the extract option, you can already see that we have got this. So we are done with a Kali Linux extraction. Let's go to our VMware Workstation Pro and click on Open Virtual Machine. Here go to Downloads, and here we can see we have got our Kali Linux virtual machine folder. Double click on it and click on this file. So we have loaded our Kali Linux 2024 version on our VMware Workstation Pro. We also need to load the Metasploitable. For that, go to Home, Open Virtual Machine option, navigate back to Downloads, click on Metasploitable to Linux, double click on this file, and we have also got our Metasploitable to Linux. Before turning on or powering on our OS, we need to do some network configuration related to it. So for that, go to Edit Virtual Machine Settings, click on Network Adapter, and then Let's click on the bridge option. So we are using these settings for ensuring VMwares can communicate with each other and the host machine. This configuration actually allows the virtual machine to appear as a separate device on the network, which is essential for realistic penetration testing scenarios. So let's click on OK. Now let's go to Kali Linux tab and also click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Let's navigate to Network Adapter and click on Bridge. Then click on OK. So for now, our network configurations are done. So let's power on our Kali Linux machine. For that, I'll click on Power on this virtual machine over here. As you can see, we are onto the lock screen of the Kali Linux. So the default password and username is Kali. Let's type Kali username and password. Click login. So now we are logged on to our Kali Linux machine. Let's now switch into Metasploitable Linux tool and power this one on. Click on I moved it. So the Metasploitable Linux tool or Metasploitable Linux OS is powering up. It may take a bit of time. It's starting the port maps and all the necessary required processes. So now we can see we have reached the stage which says Metasploitable login. For this, we need to type our default login credentials, that is MSF admin. Click enter. And the password is same as the username, that is MSF admin. So we are officially logged on to our Metasploitable tool. And there you have it. Your very own penetration testing lab is ready to go. This setup will allow you to practice and test your skills on in a safe environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content. Happy hacking. Thank you.